So I removed the handlebar that was here and I want to fill this in. I'm going to use this kit that I bought on Amazon. I will put the link to this in the description. It is an affiliate link, but I'll tell you how well this works, and it helps me out if you click the link and check it out. First thing I'm going to do is sand the area, because it says if it's a glossy area, then I need to sand it down. So first step. Step one was to clean the surface. I already done that, so now I'm going to sand. It says that it won't adhere if it's still glossy, so you gotta get rid of that gloss. Then after you wipe it down and make sure the area is still clean, then it has some tape to tape around areas that you are filling in order to not have staining. That's why they say that you want to tape the area. And now taping is done, and I need to mix up equal parts of A and B of the tubes. I'll show you that next. I thought I hit record when I mixed it up, but I did not. And all you really need to do is you need to squirt out the equal parts of A, equal parts of B onto the little palette that they provide, and then mix it up with the popsicle stick. And then you have 5 minutes to use the stuff before it will dry up. Once you have equal parts A and B, you have like 5 minutes to put it on. If you get it where you don't want it to be, you need to wipe it away immediately. I think next time I would put my tape, cover a little more area, make it a little easier. Now we have to let that dry for 24 hours and then we sand it. So it's been 24 hours. I'm going to do a light sanding and then I'm going to pull off the tape. I really only filled like little holes. Maybe if you filled bigger holes, then you might have to sand a little more or fill a little more. I might have to do a little more sanding after I pull off the tape, but let's check it out. Looks like there's some places I got beyond the tape, so probably gonna need to use some kind of tool to scrape it away. It does leave a little bit of a box effect where the tape was, so I am going to have to sand it a little more. I'll finish that up and then I'll show you the results. Well, in the end, you mostly lose the boxed effect, but you also lose the sheen like up there. You kind of have to scratch away all of that. This is the boxed effect. So I'm not sure that I love this product, but it does fill in the hole. So it makes it a little safer for water to not get through. That's the final result. Probably give it 3 stars out of 5. And it does fill in the holes. And from a distance, you can't really notice it too much, but it does take away the sheen. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.